What's up, guys? Dirty Diesel here. Working on my buggy. Got it on the lift here, working on the high steer arms. And wow, I'm tired. One thing I wanted to explain to you is, I believe it's always going to be the right side. Let me make sure. Yeah, so this pass-through side that has two joints. Let me zoom in. I don't know if it's working well. Good Lord. So, seems like it's frickin' foggy. So this side here is going to be the easier side to drill. This side that just has one bolt is going to be difficult. I started with the 5/8, went to a 3/4, and then went to a 1, and that was still hard. If you had like all the drill bits, some guy mentioned, you know, buying a cheap kit. I think it was like 40 bucks on Amazon that had all of them up to 1 inch. Wouldn't be a bad idea because it's pretty difficult. I'm using a cordless drill. I forgot to bring in my wired drill. It about smokes it, you know. I got it in the fridge right now, cooling down. So you're gonna have to take it apart. I left it on here to tack it, just to get it tacked up. This is the 12 and up, and it has this angle here. I have a 06, let's see, I think I have an 06 and a 12. This is the 12 axle. You see this angle? And then the 06 doesn't have an angle. The knuckles are, excuse me, a little different. They're flatter. These are actually wider here by far and kind of straight. The other one tapers back. That's why you have that angle. So basically, make sure you order the right kit. I know that sounds stupid, but I have two different axles of different years. I thought they would be the same, but this one does have a taper here. It was pretty funny when I ordered the kits. I kind of had a hard time putting them together because I ordered two different years, and they were very specific and actually quite a different kit. So as you can see, the older one just has the B, and the newer one has the, or wait, this is the older one. So the older one has the Barnes, and the newer one just has the B, 12 to 17, I think, and this is the 05 to 8. Yeah, so the newer one has just the B on it. Apparently they're saving cost by just cutting a B out instead of the whole Barnes. That probably takes quite a bit of time to cut on a plasma cutter or their plasma table compared to just a B with a star. Maybe it's stronger too with it solid there, I don't know. But you're gonna want to take out you're gonna have to take out everything, because now once I got this tacked, I'm going to actually take it off the axle, and I'm going to take the ball joints out after I decided, after I heat it up. It probably should come out quite a bit easier once it's hot. But I'm going to get it nice and hot and weld it somewhere other than on the axle. This side I just drilled out. That is a hoss, dude. Look how much you take out. I mean, it's a pile. It's a pile of shavings. I just used some diff fluid as cutting oil, and it is quite a bit of drilling on this left side. So yeah, I was planning on getting both these done today. That already tired me out. I know it sounds funny, but boy, that's rough work. I'm just doing a bunch of ums, I guess, because I'm tired. I apologize, guys. But I just wanted to share that with you. That side was easy. I was like, what was this guy talking about? A lot of drilling. It's this side. So it's difficult, and you're going to have to take the axle completely apart. Crap's everywhere. And then, you know, I discovered the old need more parts thing. Got the broken caliper here. That's fun. I'll have to go to the junkyard and hope somebody left the axle there. Usually they take the whole axle, but hopefully I can get a caliper. If not, I'll just order one, I guess. Brand new. Probably should order a brand new one anyways, but it sounds funny, but it's like this axle, people are so cheap. I'm a mechanic, and they're so cheap that they'll put something in the junkyard for something as simple as like fried out broken brakes that don't work. They're just sick of working on their vehicle and they just want a new one. It's really weird, because why would it end up at the junkyard anyways unless they're retarded? Because you could sell it and someone would put it back together and, you know, have a happy F-250 or F-350. But all right, cool guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys, that it is tough. There's a lot of drilling on the left side, and make sure you order the right kit for your axle. And it's actually real. I think they were only $100. I mean, $100 to get this is super cheap. I know you got to do a lot of labor, but you know, nothing in life comes for free. So, all right. Dirty diesel. Oh yeah, I got my turbos mounted too. They're not all the way done, but I got twin turbos mounted. They're in bags because this thing sits outside during the week, and then I work on it on the weekend. All right, guys, Dirty Diesel out.